Tired of YouTube Shorts taking over your feed? In this video, I'll show you how to disable YouTube Shorts permanently using the Unhook extension. Let's get started. First, open your browser. Step 2. Access extensions. Click on the three-dot menu in the top right corner. Select extensions from the list. Step 3. Get the Unhook extension. Click on Get extensions for Microsoft Edge or Chrome Web Store if you're using Chrome. In the search bar, type Unhook and press Enter. Click on the first extension that appears. Now click on Get, or Add to Chrome if using Chrome. Click on Add extension to install it. Step 4. Configure the Unhook extension. Once installed, click on the extension icon in the browser toolbar. Select Unhook extension from the list. Now toggle on the option Hide Shorts to remove YouTube Shorts from your feed. Step 5. Check YouTube. Now go to youtube.com and see if shorts are hidden. If your home feed is also missing, click on the extension icon again. Select Unhook extension and toggle off the option Hide Home Feed to bring back the regular feed. That's it. Now YouTube Shorts are permanently disabled. Thanks for watching. Hope the tutorial helped you, so subscribe and like please.